സാക്ഷ്യവുമായി പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം പോയിടാം നാം.
The reading from the book of Leviticus, chapter 8. The Lord spoke to Moses, saying, Take Aaron and his sons with him, the vestments, the anointing oil, the bull of sin offering, the 2 ram, and the basket of unleavened bread, and assemble the whole congregation at the entrance of the tent of meeting. And Moses did as the Lord commanded him. When the congregation was assembled at the entrance of the tent of meeting, Moses said to the congregation, This is what the Lord has commanded to be done. Then Moses brought Aaron and his sons forward, washed them with water. He put the tunic on him, fastened and sash around him, clothed him with the robe, and put the ephod on him. He then put the decorated band of the ephod around him, tying the ephod to him with it. He placed the breastpiece on him, and in the breastpiece he put the Urim and the Thummim, and he set the turban on his head. And on the turban in front he set the golden ornament, the holy crown, as the Lord commanded Moses. Then Moses took the anointing oil and anointed the tabernacle and all that was in it, and consecrated them. He sprinkled some of it on the altar 7 times, and anointed the altar and all its utensils, and the basin and its base, to consecrate them. He poured out some of the anointing oil on Aaron's head and anointed him to consecrate him. And Moses brought forward Aaron's son and clothed them with tunic and fastened sashes around them and tied headdresses on them, as the Lord commanded Moses. He led forward the bull of sin offering, and Aaron and his son laid their hands upon the head of bull of sin offering, and it was slaughtered. Moses took the blood and with his finger put some on each of the horns of the altar, purifying the altar. Then he poured out the blood at the base of the altar. Thus he consecrated it to make atonement for it. Moses took all the fat that was around the entrails and the appendage of the liver and the 2 kidneys with their fat, turned them into smoke on the altar, but the bull itself, its skin and flesh, its dung, he burnt with fire outside the camp, as the Lord commanded Moses. Then he brought forward the ram of burnt offering. Aaron and his sons laid their hands on the head of the ram, and it was slaughtered. Moses dashed the blood around against all sides of the altar. The ram was cut into parts, and Moses turned into smoke the head and the parts and the sweat. And after the entrails and the legs were washed with water, Moses turned into smoke the whole ram on the altar. It was burnt, offering for a pleasing odor, an offering by fire to the Lord, as the Lord commanded Moses. Then he brought forward the 2nd ram and the ram of ordination. Aaron and his sons laid their hands on the head of the ram, and it was slaughtered. Moses took some of its blood and put it on the lobe of Aaron's right ear, and on the thumb of his right hand, and on the big toe of his right foot. After Aaron's sons were brought forward, Moses put some of the blood on the lobes of their right ear, and on the thumbs of their right hand, and on the big toe of their right feet. And Moses dashed the rest of the blood against all sides of the altar. He took the fat, the board, tail, all the fat that was around the entrails, the appendage of the liver, and the 2 kidneys with their fat, and the right thigh. From the basket of unleavened bread that was before the Lord, he took 1 cake of unleavened bread, 1 cake of bread with oil, 1 wafer, and placed them on the fat of the right thigh. He placed all these on the palm of Aaron and on the palm of his son, and raised them as an elevation offering before the Lord. Then Moses took them from their hand and turned them into smoke on the altar with the burnt offering. This was an ordination offering for a pleasing odor, an offering by the fire to the Lord. Moses took the breast and they raised it as an elevation offering before the Lord. It was Moses' portion of ram of ordination as the Lord commanded Moses. Then Moses took some of the anointing oil and some of the blood that was on the altar and sprinkled them on Aaron's and his vestment and also on his son. His son and their vestments. Thus he consecrated Aaron and his vestments and also his son and their vestments. And Moses said to Aaron and his sons, boil the flesh at the entrance of the tent of meeting and eat in there with the bread that is in the basket of ordination offering as I was commanded. Aaron and his sons shall eat it, and what remains of the flesh and the bread you shall burn with fire. You shall not go outside the entrance of the tent of meeting for 7 days until the day when your period of ordination is completed. For it will take 7 days to ordain you, as has been done today. The Lord has commanded to be done to make atonement for you. You shall remain at the entrance of the tent of meeting and night for 7 days, keeping the Lord's charge, so that you do not die. For so I commanded. Aaron and his sons did all the things that the Lord commanded through Moses.
പോയിടാം നാം ലോകം മുഴുവനും പോയിടാം സുവിശേഷവുമായി പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായി